Welcome to Reolink. The Duo series is a brand new dual-lens camera lineup of Reolink. The twin-lens design and 150-degree ultra-wide viewing angle makes these cameras more powerful in guarding your home. In this video, we'll be unboxing the PoE version of the series, the Duo PoE plug-and-play thanks to the Power over Ethernet technology. On the box, we can get a rough idea of the camera features, such as the wide viewing angle and smart alarms with person and vehicle detection. Open the box, you'll find the Duo PoE camera itself, and an Ethernet cable, a waterproof lid, a pack of screws and anchors, bracket, a screwdriver, a mounting plate, a quick start guide, a surveillance sticker, and a mounting hole template. The Reolink Duo PoE is made special with its dual lens design, bringing a wider field of view of 150 degrees to the camera with almost no fisheye distortion. It continues to deliver high-quality video of 2K Super HD resolution. Built with 6 pieces of infrared LEDs and 8 pieces of spotlights, the camera will capture full-color nighttime recordings as crisp as during the day. The Reolink Duo PoE is also powerful in its detection capabilities. Smart on-camera person and vehicle detection differentiates persons and vehicles around your home, and you'll be informed with more precise alerts at any time. The camera is equipped with a built-in microphone and speaker. So when receiving alerts, you can have two-way simultaneous communication with your visitors.
Hey, can I help you?
Or scare off the intruders. A micro SD card slot is added at the bottom of the device for up to 256 gigabytes of storage space. It's IP66 weatherproof, always a great option for home, office, or outdoors. That's all for the features of the Reolink Duo PoE. In our next videos, we'll show you the easy setup and installation steps of the camera. Just stay tuned.